Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to half swipe on Snapchat. So if you guys want to go ahead and half swipe on specific conversation that you have on Snapchat so that you could necessarily just view the message but not see it or have the person know that you have already seen the message. So in this video, I will show you this. So first of all, of course, we need to open our Snapchat application and now just go to your chat section. Now you have to choose the conversation. I want to choose this conversation here. So what I have to do is I just have to tap on his name and then for example another chart over here. So let's use this. All we need to do is from here is to go ahead and swipe directly to the right section of our screen. So we can actually do that. So we all need to is swipe right here. We can view the chat, release it to not see the chat anymore. As you see, could do it as well with other people. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.